In this video, you'll learn how to create an admin panel in Lovable. This process involves navigating the Lovable interface and utilizing its features to set up an effective admin panel for your project. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating the Lovable website. Once the page loads, you will see a clean, user-friendly interface that welcomes you to the platform. If you are not signed in, you may be prompted to enter your credentials. Complete the sign-in process to access your dashboard. Next, locate the panel on the left side of the screen. Click on the Home option to return to the main dashboard. This action will refresh the interface and display your recent projects. Ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding. After confirming you are on the home screen, find the search bar, typically situated at the top of the page. Type in the phrase "Create an admin panel" and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This search will help you find relevant resources and guides within Lovable. Once you hit Enter, the screen will update to show results related to your search. Look for a message that indicates exploring admin panel. This message signifies that you are on the right path to creating your admin panel. Following this, you will see a message stating evaluating admin panel. This indicates that Lovable is processing your request and preparing the necessary components for your admin panel setup. This step may take a moment, so be patient. Next, you will encounter a message that reads reviewing admin panel components. At this stage, Lovable is displaying the various elements that will be included in your admin panel. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these components, as they are crucial for your project. Continue by reviewing the message that states reviewing admin panel and components. Ensure that all components meet your expectations and that you understand how each part functions within the admin panel. Then click on Chat AI or use the prompt feature to add more functionality to your admin panel. This step allows you to customize the features according to your project requirements, enhancing the overall user experience. After making your selections, you will need to wait for Lovable to generate the app. This process may take some time depending on the complexity of the features you have chosen. Ensure your internet connection is stable during this phase to avoid interruptions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and I catch you in the next tutorial